Hey everybody, this is what a S55 AMG V8 compressor with no cats, no primary cats, no secondary cats. Open header sounds like cold start. Haven't started it for maybe about 5 days. So here we are. Enjoy the semi sound. Pretty loud. You probably can't even hear me over the exhaust sound. Give you a quick little 50-second sound clip before I end the video. If anybody's looking to go open headers for a while before you do your full exhaust, don't recommend it, man. Too loud, too much attention, steams, backfires, burns out, all the above, man.